like we're in the intro for 007. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to a winter wonderland up here in Summit County here in Colorado. Wife and I actually just drove up a little while ago to Keystone, and since we've been up here, we took our dog for a little walk, spent a little time hiking with her, had an absolute blast just getting to see her have some fun in the snow, and then actually went over to our favorite little wine bar here. So I think besides slot machines, we found Savant's new favorite thing. But we're actually over at the Keystone Lodge and Spa here next to Keystone Mountain Resort, and although it's sweet to be next to Keystone, we're actually not going to be skiing here. Okay, now how do I actually get from the parking lot to the hotel across the street? I'll show you. It's pretty cool. To get to our hotel, we actually have to go underneath the road from across the street's parking lot and go through this like giant tube in order to get to the hotel across the street. But since it's the wife's birthday weekend, we decided to come up to Keystone, have a little fun time up in the mountains. And I know, I'm gonna totally shock you guys, but tomorrow, we're skiing at Copper. There's the birthday girl. And we brought Stella. The place we're staying at is pretty cool. They actually put us on the first floor because if you have a dog staying at this hotel, you actually are supposed to have a dog on the first floor so that they can go outside. Yeah, buddy. And as you can see, it's coming down pretty good right now. So besides obviously going to ski tomorrow at Copper, we also had some dinner reservations tonight at this Italian restaurant that Savannah and I actually took her parents to for their 50th anniversary. We had a blast there, we loved it, so we actually decided to come back for her birthday. Before we go there, I think we need to take advantage of this walkout entrance to this heated pool and hot tub. Okay, that's too cold. So Savannah and I heard there's a second hot tub outside, but in order to get to it, you kind of have to brave yourself and go through some real cold temperatures. I feel like we're in the intro for 007. Alright gang, by the looks of this little one right here, I think it's time we call it a night. I think we're gonna catch some shut-eye and hit up Copper tomorrow morning. Hopefully the snow continues all night. So excited for her to get her first laps of the year actually. This is my 4th day. It'll be her first out tomorrow, but so pumped. Can't wait to go back to our favorite resort out here in Colorado once again. Stay tuned, we'll see you in the morning. Alright gang, back up at Copper with the wife. Savant's first turns of 2023-2024. Saturday up here at Copper, and most of the time, I don't know if you guys know me at all, if I ski, probably only 2 reasons I'm skiing on a Saturday. It's we had 10 plus inches of snow, or it's the wife's birthday. Morning, Savannah was telling me how unprepared she was for the first turns of the year. Look at her, she's ripping it up. Popular day, we got like 4 inches of snow overnight, another 6 inches of snow the day before that. Just beautiful out though. So awesome when you can look up here and see all the snow up in the mountains across the valley. Just so nice. She did get a lap in before me though, I gotta say. I was kind of an idiot. I forgot my Montec ski jacket at the house. And so I forgot my icon pass in my sleeve. Had to go down to Center Village here at Copper and get a new one. Man, it took like maybe 2 minutes in and out. She got to run in while I was doing that, so she's nice and loosened up. Definitely think it's gonna be just a chill day here again at Copper. I don't think anything's really opened up much. Like, I mean, this time last year I was riding out Storm King and not open today. And it's kind of deceiving because up here at Copper, Super B is open on East Village. And that's like, so you guys know, again, it's my favorite lift to ride up. It's so fast, runs over there so quick. But it's deceiving because Super B opens and only the US ski team can actually go over there and use it. You can ride up there, but you gotta traverse over and ride down to Center Village or take the accelerator up. It's so good! Whew. God, just loving these new skis. Just get in there. Just getting in there. Wife's birthday weekend. Let's have a day. First streamer of the year. Almost broke my back. All right, I think we found our entrance. Woo. She's still a little bare in those trees, so I think I'm just gonna stay in here. Still good. Couple ferns sticking out. Yeah. Some good hits all over the place on this one. Yeah. Ooh, baby. A little over the big section. A little over to this section. That was fun though. She's a little thin. Yikes. Get the heck out of there.
Baby, all my exes just drinking themselves crazy tonight. Baby, I should call and say, told you I'd be right. Wondering how long it was before you realized the biggest mistake of your life. And now you're paying the price. Oh, is it confidence or confusion? Either way, I feel like I ain't never losing. Your opinion on how you know just what I'm choosing. I gotta do this, cause I can't fall asleep at night without seeing my dreams. Delusion and reality, I'm somewhere.
It's coming down. It's time for a coffee. Alright guys, Vaughn and I just had an awesome little coffee and sandwich inside. Just walked outside though, and it's starting to come down pretty well. Not done yet though. We got a few more turns for you guys. right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. I feel like I gotta at least say that one time in this video. I feel like I can't go one video without saying that. I don't know why. So it's Sunday morning, the day after we skied Copper yesterday, and one cool thing that happened at Copper was they actually opened the Sierra lift, and that's like one of Savon and my most favorite lifts, honestly, at Copper. It's just such a wide variety of terrain, and the fact that you can kind of go over the mountain to the back bowls from there, it's just such a great area. And now that that's open, I just can't wait for the rest of the season. You know, 2024 is just around the corner. So many more trips planned: Utah, Jackson, Aspen. All right, you guys, well, I think that's gonna do it for me today. Looks like it's gonna start snowing even a little bit more, so I think Savon and I need to get back on the road. I want to thank you guys so much again for watching. See you OOT and a boot. We'll see you guys in the next one.